Oh, there it is. Hi, it's Sherry, and welcome to Home, Help, and Heart. I'm going to start out with a little health update, and hopefully, I'll actually get around to filming some real content today. Won't that be shocking? So, let me get my S in there. Okay, so here's what's been going on since my last update. So, this is about, I want to say 10. Alexa, cancel. This is about 10 weeks post-op. And everything was rolling along pretty well. I had hit 121 degrees. That may have been my last video. Then, bam. I ended up down for about 10 days with nonstop nausea, nonstop insomnia, terrible cramping in my legs. So, of course, I'm like, what is happening to me? And I call into the surgeon's office, and they're like, well, not really giving me any answers. But they do give me an appointment with my surgeon's PA, which I took because I thought, I feel like crap, right? So I missed at least one day of PT. And I'm telling you, that 10 days of feeling sick really set me back. And that is not a good thing, as the PA said. But neither was constantly feeling like you're going to puke for 10 days. Not being able to sleep at all, and the cramps in my legs, and even sometimes up into my abdomen. So, this past Monday, today is Sunday the 5th, so this past Monday, I was given a prescription for prednisone, not the 7654321 pack, but just a bottle of a few pills. So I started taking that this past Monday, and very quickly things started to improve. So that was really good. So it took about 2 or 3 days for the cramps to just completely stop, but the nausea stopped almost immediately. The insomnia didn't stop because, guess what? Prednisone causes insomnia. But I am now, I would say, even though I'm still on the prednisone for another probably 4 or 5 days, I am back to feeling great. Now that we had a little tiny two and a half day break from the horrendous heat and humidity of the summer, I've been out riding my bike the last couple days, and I'm generally just feeling stronger and better than I have since surgery. So like I said, when I did go to therapy during the time I was sick, I lost 6 degrees of bend in my knee. 6 degrees. And I missed 1 day. That's insane. But I was also laying around the house feeling sick as hell and not feeling like jumping around doing PT exercises. So that's what you get. So I lost 6 degrees, and I've been working my butt off trying to get those 6 degrees back. I lost 3 degrees in straightening and 6 degrees in bending my left knee. So we're back down. We're getting really close to complete straight again. And then it's really been an uphill battle to get back to good bend. And the surgeon requires at least 120. So, finally, let's see, this is Sunday, this past Thursday. I've been going to PT on Tuesdays and Thursdays. And this past Thursday, I went in and I was hurting, both knees hurting. And I don't know quite why, but they were really hurting. And I went in and I told him, I said, I'm really hurting today for some reason. So I don't know, how my flexibility is going to be. And so he's like, okay, well, lay down and use the strap and bend your leg. I want to see what your bend is. And I thought, oh my God. Well, the first take, because I hadn't warmed up even yet, was bad. It wasn't good. And then by the time I got through my 5 holds of 20 on that exercise, I was back up to 120 or 121. And so we were both like, because I don't want to have to be going to PT until I'm old and gray, you know what I'm saying? I went on my 16 knee replacement. I had surgery at the end of October, and I didn't finish PT until the beginning of March of the next year. And it's already been, my surgery this year was June 23rd, and this is September 5th, so it's already been 2.5 months, and I don't really want it to be any longer than that, any longer than it has to be, put it that way. But my physical therapist is showing no signs of stopping, so we'll see. But I do have a follow-up with the surgeon's PA about all those symptoms I was having. And that will be, I think, next Thursday or Friday, maybe. It was a month from when, maybe Friday after next. It was a month from when I went in with the symptoms. And so the only thing that worries me is that I did have one day where I missed my prednisone. By the time I realized it, it was late in the day, and they say you're supposed to take it first thing in the morning with food. So I did not take a dose that day. And the next day, the muscle cramping was back, but in a very tiny way. So I want to take the prednisone long enough to try to just get rid of this crap, and hopefully that when I do then go off of it, that I will be symptom-free in terms of, oh, yeah, I didn't even get into that part, did I? Anyhow, let me say it real quick because I know I'm already at 7.5. I had all the classic symptoms of withdrawal from hydrocodone, which was the opioid I was on for the surgery. So I go to the PA appointment about all these weird symptoms I was having, and I say to him, when you Google withdrawal symptoms for hydrocodone, what you get is a list of everything that I have. And he said, oh, no. It's nearly impossible for you to have withdrawal symptoms because you were only taking X milligrams or whatever. I don't care. Everybody is different. And I'm only 4'5", and so I've always been a little more sensitive to medication than the average bear. And so I truly believe that is what I had. And I have since talked to several other females, interestingly, all females, who have had various forms of injuries and surgeries on ankle, foot, and knee, and have all experienced this same realm of symptoms. So, feeling really good, doing really good. It's still, I need to get out of the damn house. It's just been the heat is so bad, and from I think a couple of my past updates that the past year has been really hard on me between losing Missy, Jasmine leaving the Big Sister program, and my friend Jean moving to Maryland. So my goal this fall is just get the hell out of the house, start going to stuff that's like free or low cost, and just to try to start meeting some new people. That is my job right now. My job right now is healing, but once I'm beyond that, then the next job is going to be finding people that I can enjoy hanging out with. Okay, sorry, we're coming up on 10 minutes. I didn't want to make it long. Take care, be well, and always be yourself. And thank you, as always, for all the incredible support you have provided. I really appreciate it, and I will hopefully be back soon, very soon maybe, with some actual content. Bye.